Hey, I'm Steve with This Week with Cars, and while I'm away at a racetrack in Europe, I thought I'd show you 3 projects that I've been working on. This Austin Healey Sprite is a project that I've been working on for the last few years. As you can see, it's got a special badge on the bonnet, which I'll talk about in a little bit. Also has this interesting scoop right here, which is not original. That scoop was modeled after the shape of the headlight so that it looked correctly. The location of the scoop and somewhat of the design is inspired by the original Liège to Rome to Liège rally car. Inside you can see all of the typical rally equipment. It does have a larger Smith's tachometer. It does have oil temperature gauge, a Twin Master rally computer, has ports there for accessories, dual fuel pumps, controls for front and rear fog lamps, also has an original Speedwell amp gauge and a boost gauge down there. On the back of the car, you can see the fog lamp that has been added. Let me show you under the hood. This one is powered by a period correct Chirac supercharger. It has been upgraded with dual master cylinders. You can see the clutch line still needs to be run. It still retains the heater and blower. This is a special 2-liter catch can that we created here. Oil cooler up front, which still needs to be piped. It's also going to have a remote oil filter up here. Bumblebee spark plug wiring. The airbox over here for the supercharger is designed and modeled off of the original car. I also have an electric radiator fan which is going to go up front, which is going to be completely period correct. This red car, also an Austin Healey Sprite, is also configured as a rally car. So you can see it's got full rally equipment inside as well. Larger Smith tachometer, has a map light over there. This one has door bars on the cage. This is a real Donald Healey hardtop. It is different than the regular BMC hardtop. It's a slightly different shape and takes different side curtains. In the back here, you can see the rear spotlight. On the passenger side here, as with the blue car, we have a horn for the passenger, and this one also has a speed pilot. I'll show you under the hood of this one. Under the bonnet is a 948cc race engine. Again, dual master cylinder upgrade. This one has 2-speed wiper motor. Oil cooler up front. Bumblebee wiring. Retains the heater. Has special catch tank that we fabricated for these cars. Last but not least is the Sprinzel Sebring coupe. You can see the front fog lights, the Sebring badge, the nose dipped like the car had been hung in paint. The bonnet up front is fiberglass, however the rest of it is all handmade aluminum panels. You can see the fog lamp on the back. The rear looks like a stock bug eye, but it's actually made of aluminum. The doors are made of aluminum as well. They are very lightweight. Hinges are drilled. On the inside, you can see the equipment. I still have a few more gauges to put in here. Donald Healey seats, Has a full roll cage. Still working on some details on the inside. Show you under the hood. Under the bonnet, you can see a 948cc race engine. It's a fuel regulator and filter. The catch tank. Dual master cylinders. Remote oil filter. Have an oil cooler up front that I still need to hook up. All these cars are bound for the UK. They will be raced. Hopefully in a future video you'll see me racing this car. This red car is being built for historic rally racing. And the blue car, also a rally car. We'll just have to see how this one works out. We have no idea how much this supercharger is going to add to the car. This one will take the most amount of testing. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more interesting cars like these, subscribe to my channel.